are going to love the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock brakes, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, security system, dual zone climate control, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.